the ServoGX have a 2 terminal here with 2 relays. When I have in an equipment in the future a connection with 3 terminals with the letters C, NC, and NO, what means? The common, the normally open is 87A and the normally closed, yeah? You have those, this is a relay. You have here one with 3 terminals. C, normally open and normally closed. And you have another one here with the letter C, normally open and normally closed. Okay, I am going to connect one of those connectors with 3 cables directly here on the generator. What is the function of those 3 cables connected here? To start and stop the generator according with the configuration that I create here. I enter with my computer and I say to the ServoGX, when the level of charge in the battery bank decrease 25%, send the signal with that cable to the generator and start the generator. When the level of charge be around 98%, send the signal and turn off the generator. Bingo. Bingo, Papa. That's the connection. That's magnificent, no, guys? Difficult? Papi, you can make a lot of money with that information tomorrow.